Welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today, we're diving into the world of enhancing eyesight naturally. And guess what? The humble turmeric, that golden spice in your pantry, holds a remarkable secret for your eyes. Before we start, here is a quick reminder. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. This video is for educational purposes only. Now let's look at the power of turmeric for vision. Turmeric, a prized treasure revered for centuries, boasts an arsenal of potent compounds, and one stands out prominently: curcumin. Curcumin isn't just a color-enhancing element. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory wonders that are uniquely tailored for nurturing eyesight. As we age, our eyes can be vulnerable to oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. This is where curcumin steps in as a guardian of optical well-being. By neutralizing harmful free radicals and taming inflammation, curcumin supports the resilience of our eyes' delicate structures. Moreover, curcumin's dynamic capabilities extend to bolstering blood circulation and maintaining the health of blood vessels that supply the eyes. This enhanced blood flow ensures optimal nourishment and oxygen delivery to the eyes, contributing to their overall vitality. Scientific research corroborates the wonders of turmeric for eyesight enhancement. Studies suggest that curcumin's multifaceted attributes can help prevent the accumulation of proteins that contribute to cataract formation. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory prowess is believed to slow down the progression of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision impairment in older adults. But that's not all. We've got a whole lineup of foods that can contribute to sharper vision beyond the age of 50. The top 20 vision-boosting foods. Get ready to feast your eyes on this fantastic assortment of foods that can elevate your eyesight game as you age. These foods are like a symphony of nutrients for your eyes. Swiss chard. This vibrant leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients, including lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants known to promote eye health. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, carrots are a classic vision booster. Sweet potatoes. Their vitamin A content promotes good vision. Bell peppers. High in vitamin C, they contribute to maintaining eye health. Oranges. Vitamin C and bioflavonoids in oranges are excellent for your eyes. Strawberries. They're a delicious source of antioxidants that benefit your eyes. Blueberries. Packed with anthocyanins, they support overall eye health. Salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are beneficial for your retinas. Tuna. Another source of omega-3s, important for maintaining eye moisture. Eggs. Lutein and zeaxanthin in egg yolks contribute to eye health. Almonds. Vitamin E in almonds supports the health of your eye cells. Walnuts. High levels of omega-3 fatty acids promote healthy eyes. Spinach. This leafy green is rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. Kale. Like spinach, kale is a powerhouse of eye-loving nutrients. Broccoli. Its vitamin C and lutein content make it an eye-friendly veggie. Tomatoes. Lycopene, an antioxidant in tomatoes, supports eye health. Pumpkin. Beta-carotene in pumpkin is converted to vitamin A in your body. Brussels sprouts. They provide vitamins and antioxidants that benefit your eyes. Avocado. Healthy fats in avocados contribute to eye moisture. Dark chocolate. Flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve blood flow to your eyes. Incorporating these foods into your diet. Incorporating vision-boosting foods, including the mighty turmeric, into your daily diet is surprisingly simple and transformative. It's all about making simple, sustainable changes. Start your day with a smoothie featuring vibrant berries and a sprinkle of turmeric. Swap out snacks for a handful of almonds or walnuts. At lunch, indulge in a colorful salad loaded with leafy greens, bell peppers, and tomatoes. For dinner, explore curcumin-rich recipes like turmeric-spiced roasted vegetables or a hearty curry. And don't forget the occasional indulgence of dark chocolate. By making these food staples in your meals, you're not only nurturing your taste buds but also paving the way for sharper, clearer vision as you age. It's good to note that turmeric's prowess doesn't stand alone. It harmoniously joins a symphony of other vision-enhancing foods in our quest for sharper sight. Imagine combining the vivacity of turmeric with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in leafy greens, carrots, sweet potatoes, and colorful berries. This synergy creates a nutritional masterpiece that fortifies your eyes against the challenges of time. Lifestyle tips for better eyesight. Remember, a holistic approach is key to maintaining clear vision. In addition to your diet, here are some lifestyle tips. Eye exercises. Simple eye exercises can help keep your eyes flexible and strong. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your eyes well hydrated. UV protection. Shield your eyes from the sun's harmful UV rays with sunglasses. Adequate sleep. Quality sleep is essential for eye health and overall well-being. Taking care of your eyes is a lifelong commitment. With the magic of turmeric and a diet rich in vision-boosting foods, you're on the path to a future with clear and vibrant vision. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health insights. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and keep those eyes shining bright.